Yeah, because some people really react. I'm not saying you will. I mean, you've been catching rides all morning.
Oh, I'm still fascinated by every single ride.
All right. So Polish, huh? Are you now? Do you live in Tri-Cities or are you visiting?
No, I live in Seattle.
Seattle. What brings you out here?
I met Mark at my friend's girlfriend's party. So
Okay. Yeah.
he brought me out here, and I was like,
then you're like,
yeah.
well, shit, this will work.
This is something I like.
That's what's up. Glad to have you out here.
I'm glad to be here.
A little fly coming for a ride. Okay. All right, so this one's a lot more manual.
All right.
You'll feel the road a lot more, and the driver's mistakes.
Okay.
And recoveries and all these
I'm
things.
excited.
Yeah, it's a lot more exciting, I think. We'll see. You'll tell me. The way I describe it, when I ride along with a Vet or a Subaru or any of these things, it's like you're going over the bump sideways. The technology of the suspension, the actual engineering of the geometry, it's like it doesn't deliver that jolt to the chassis or the seat. It just handles that.
Right.
And so if the car is just handling that, then the driver doesn't need to. And so, but in this car, we're like, oh, hang on now, like.
Okay. No, that's what I love. How every car is so different. Like the adrenaline is there for.
They're all true. They're very different. Yeah.
Yeah, but they're so they're fun.
You can have sugar in sweet fruits or in decadent desserts. Yeah. Adrenaline comes in many forms. Yeah.
Yeah, he is coming along.
Oh, he didn't want to come. Huh?
No, he's still here. He's crawling.
Must be a blessing.
Yeah, I'm planning to learn manual and eventually drive.
Participating? Yeah? Wonderful. I think I describe it as the most fun one can have with their clothes on.
Someone told me that earlier today. Yes. That is a thing now.
I feel like I brought that quote to this club.
It's a good quote.
Another place. Yeah, it is. You're like, yeah.
Yeah, I agree.
Enough said.
I'll tell you right now, this is one of the top experiences. That was nuts, oh my.
Yeah, I got a little excited. What are you gonna do? It came in too fast.
It was fun though, I will say.
Now the brakes actually probably have the most work on the car. It's very imbalanced. I'm locking him up all the time, so shame on me for being aggressive. Fun
no, that was really fun though. Thank you.
Oh, you're very welcome.
Yeah.
Very, very welcome.
Like even besides the, little side trip.
Oopsie poopsie.
It was really fun. Thanks so much.
You're very welcome.
Cool. Alright.
So you got the bug now, huh?
Huh?
You got the bug now.
Which bug?
Oh,
the bug of being addicted?
Yeah.
Yeah, oh, by far.
Cool.
First
you can
ride.
Get out now or
okay.
pull up. It's up to you.
Again, thank you.
You're very welcome. Pleasure to meet you.